Good evening, everybody. Bulvanaka. Just very quickly, I know you all want to hear who the winners are, but before I start off, please put your hands together for your hosts, Lalani and Tufinga. They've done a fantastic job. I also would like to say, before we announce the winners, the performances both last night and today have been fantastic. The quality is all improving, and we look forward to more of you participating, more schools. But if you don't win a prize, please also remember you're still a winner, and we thank you for your contribution. I also like to thank the Film Fiji team, the chair, Shanaz Voss, Fiji Link, and all the other sponsors for this wonderful opportunity, and of course Atil for being here. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Thanks.
Vinaka. Another round of applause for our Attorney General. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to now hand over the mic to our naming rights sponsor from Fiji Link, Mr. Atil Narayan. I'd like to say something. Not a problem. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to get into the awards. And the first award that we'll be giving out tonight is for the Best Costume. Best Costume.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the 2018 Fiji Link Best Costume Award goes to, the drum roll. The award goes to, ladies and gentlemen, Latter-day Saints, LDS.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Give them another big hand for the Best Costume Award 2018. Now our next award is the Fiji Link Dance Competition Best Choreography.
The winner, ladies and gentlemen, 2018 Fiji Link Best Choreography Award goes to Koravuto College.
Let's give them another big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Best Choreography Award, Fiji Link 2018. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the winners of the Best Choreography Fiji Link Dance Comp 2018.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our next award this evening. This award was voted by you, and how loud you cheered this evening for your favorite school. So without further ado, most popular dance group.
The 2018 Fiji Link Most Popular Dance Group Award goes to... Where's the drum roll? I think we'll have another drum roll. Popular Dance Group Award goes to Queen Victoria School.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, QVC, the most popular dance group, Fiji Link Dancecom 2018.
Give it up for QVS!
That's the one. Take as many photos as you want. It's only 11 o'clock. And next up, we've got the runner-up for the best female dancer. And the winner is... Drum roll, please. And another drum roll, please.
The winner is Shama Kumar of Nendi Sangam SKM College.
Which is for the best female dancer. Drum roll, please.
Drum roll, or are you making an announcement? Ladies and gentlemen, the Best Female Dance Award goes to, maybe one more drum roll.
One more drum roll.
Anu Dakshina Chandra, Rishipur Sanatan College.
There you have it. That was the Best Female Dancer Award 2018. Our next award is for the Best Male Dancer Runner-Up. And the winner is... Drum roll, please.
Best Male Dancer Run-Up goes to Petro Nicola of Sacred Heart College.
now on to the 7th award of the evening, Best Male Dancer.
Maybe one more? The Best Male Dancer Award goes to Jeremiah Ravulo, Queen Victoria School.
Our next award is the Fiji Link Award for Commendable Performance. And the winner is, with a really short drum roll,
Wow. The award goes to Marist Brothers High School. Best Dance Group second runner-up award goes to Korovuto College.
Let's welcome to the stage, Korovuto College!
One more roll.
one more drum roll, ladies and gentlemen. Can we play the whole album of drum rolls, please?
One more.